Alright guys, you're still tuned to Quest931FM. FM. Okay, and this is actually a special time, I would like to call it. But if you check your time, it is about 5:30 already on the DOT. And of course, me, myself, and I trained Baba, I've got me one special person in the studio. Do not forget, it is Quest931 FM. And of course, no worry. We got one special person. We can bring now one very special person for the studio. And of course, in there into music, he will get introduce himself at some point. So I beg him, you could do yourself favor now. Call person, make the call every other person. Say I beg him, Quest. I won't actually interview one very special person. It has to do with music, and I'm sure you'll be feeling this very vibe. All right, the song you are listening to as it stands right now, Kukbe. I hope I got that correct.
Yeah.
Kukbe. All right, you heard his voice already, so we've got to meet him in person. What's your name now?
My name is Dr.Flezzy. Urhobo exclusive.
Dr.Flezzy. Okay, I actually pronounced Flexi at first. Now Flexi.
Yeah.
Worry Boy, aka Worry Boy exclusive.
Yeah.
Okay, you're into music. We done the last one of your jam already. And I feel I'm already now Urhobo song anyways.
Yeah.
So yeah, it has this great feel of Urhobo jam itself. So you will tell us a bit about yourself. Why you choose, because most people when they listen now, the first thing that will come to mind is why did he choose this style of music, this the Urhobo thing. And when every other artist, by the way, when I got see this person, he did fresh, like say tomorrow you go visit and even Davido. Now if they sign on that just fresh, like say, but then whoever says you will think, okay, maybe in a rap you go into one of those. How come you got to choose this very style, the unique one, I'll say?
No, we've been putting out Urhobo projects,
okay,
products for a very long time. Like they know us for this, and in and out of the state, the city, with the likes of Babalao, Coupe de Calais,
okay,
songs like that. I sing on there, they produce those songs, and this putting out this album is like my second Urhobo album, and for the reception in the Urhobo community so far, I mean, I'm very glad.
You're having a great
time, man. I just came back from Abuja performing in a private birthday party for one of the Urhobo chief. So I'm having a great time with this project right now.
All right, so guys, so that's of course a Dr.Flezzy, aka a Worry Boy exclusive. Okay, you already tell us the song what and they listen to that. But you guys tell us your real name, because people will be reason now it's gonna be Flexi now. At least you go get Urhobo name now. If my real Urhobo boy.
Yes, my real names are Ughelli. Yeah.
All right, I was maybe you interpret that one, translate.
No, the interpretation is now Papa children not picking to the many.
It's all right. Okay, about when did you decide on actually starting music?
I've been doing music for a very long. Actually, I'm from a third generation of musicians. You understand?
Okay.
So we've been doing music like since forever. I started with sound engineering.
Which people did the first generation?
The first generation is my grandfather and my uncle is the famous Okparibo,
Serious?
I swear.
Wow, now Okparibo. Okay, that's a very popular person, I must say. Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from Agbaru, Ughelli North.
Agbaru Tona?
Yeah, no, Agbaru.
Agbaru, okay. Agbaru.
Yeah.
This is quite, there's Agbara,
there's Agbara. I'm from Agbara too. So I'm from Agbaru, Kokore, Agbara.
It's alright.
I'm one of those kids who study home a lot,
It's alright, don't wonder now. You tell for the songs when you play now. Now you actually said you are about dropping a particular album.
Yes, I just released the 24 Kingdoms album, and it's all about the Urhobo, putting out the Urhobo in the front line in the musical world.
Okay. Not
just doing it on the state level that we've been doing all these years. Now I'm like putting out contents that would successfully trigger it to international stage,
Okay.
So this project right now is like massive. The Urhobo community, home and abroad, are accepting it. So I'm like, it's good for me to come home and make the people know what is happening up there,
Up there.
So putting out this project is like a blessing to me and the Urhobo nation and 24 kingdoms in Urhobo land at large. So I targetedly put the project on that 24 kingdoms level so they know they get a whole context of what is in this project, So it's all about the Urhobo nation. I'm dedicating this to the Urhobo minority tribes all over the world.
Wow.
So minority, but they do big things.
You do big things.
You know?
Well, I actually like that, like minority when they do big things. Well, if you're just joining us this very evening, not forgetting our quest today, tune to the person voice when you hear so now Dr.Flezzy, aka Worry Boy exclusive, now Urhobo boy for that matter. And of course, he gets sweet melodies for us this beautiful evening. He's releasing an album. Okay, just dropped an album. He says that he titles 24 Kingdom, the 24 Kingdoms in Urhobo land. But you guys tell us a bit about this very album. How many songs did the album?
The album consists of 8 songs, 4 features.
Okay. You feature any popular one of those popular?
Graham D, Young Z, and Wave God.
Wow.
Big Clay from California is an Urhobo boy too, but he's based in California.
California.
So like 4 persons that is on the project, and
wow, what a project! And this one that we're listening to now, Kukwe, is actually in the album as well.
Yes, it's the track 1 of the album.
Track 1.
Yeah.
I'm more feeling small.
Oh, yeah. Can we get a feedback?
Okay.
Everything I see, man, see what I do, but it really is a may you put that on now, may you tell me, they shall never deny, yeah, they shall me, but to tell on now, you won't believe me, I go away too. Because when I come, I'm going to
All right, that of course is Kukbe, Dr.Flezzy, aka Worry Boy. You don't write the freestyle, so don't worry. At some point, you go do small freestyle for us today. I'm sure some fans would also love to download this song. There is another song, Ughelli, here as well. Hopefully, we'll get to listen through that very jam. But I'd like to ask now, what actually inspires you, doing these songs? And you could tell us the kind songs, love songs that you get into most often. You say you want to use bring the Urhobo Nation up for most of these songs. Are these songs for love, or what would you tell it your kind of music aside it just being Urhobo? What did they bring your passion out, and what did your target for, like everybody or just a particular set of youths, I guess?
Yeah, I've been dropping projects for everybody. If you have a soul, you will definitely connect.
Oh,
definitely, So I'm not like in a stage where I'm trying to impress or target a certain kind of fan base, but I've seen people who don't even like music, appreciating what they are hearing because of the quality of sounds and the quality of production that have been invested in this project. So like the target is not on a particular geographical level. I've seen Yoruba people like, man, this is so I've seen boys like Flezzy, man, this one all blow, this one all blow. You don't understand? So I've seen even my grandma, like, old, young, everybody's like, this music is like generally accepted, and there's no specific target, and the inspiration behind this is for everybody that have a soul for sounds.
All right, the soul for sound, man. I like that. It's soul for spirit. No, so of course, it's soul for good music. All right, this one now, Kukbe, what does it mean?
Kukbe is from year to year. So when I say Kukbe, so my brush, like from year to year, like January to January to January, please take good care of yourself and wash yourself. Even if you are doing bad, be good to yourself and be good to your community. If you are doing good, yes, be good. That's like, don't ever mini Kukbe. So my bruche, all the way from Ojagugbe. Ojagugbe is a very popular street in Warri that is being underrated for too long. Ojagugbe connected every part of Warri, but nobody have ever put it on a vibe like this.
Wow, and you
so I grew up in Warri too, so I said I should incorporate that for my from the home side.
It's all good. And of course, the other song here, Ughelli, what is it about?
Ughelli is like God has done it for me, and it's actually a love song. Since you're talking about love, we're in the month of love, Valentine is approaching.
Yeah.
So it's actually a love song, and I did it with the famous superstar Graham D and the internationally recognized vocalist Young Z. So this song is like busting my own head, you know, because of the vibes, the melody, the creativity, and the crunk beats and danceable party, you know, for everybody, you know.
Okay, in case you wonder, well, Flexy, Dr.Flezzy, aka still there studio with me. He is, of course, aka Worry Boy exclusive. This is Ughelli, the love song, just in time for this great love season, anyways.
You are a blessing to my life. She's a fine girl, we not get people. So she said she love me and she don't care about people. So and only she feel touch my body when they sweet like sweet on music. Oh, what I call that's my lady. I like how we start, she sweet like a lady. She said she loves me, baby, yo. She don't go for a penny, yo. Okay, they don't care when me need no money, yo. I get time for plenty, yo. Now so, oh, baby, come shop on my money, yo. Okay, yo.
Well, this one enter. The beat alone, you will not say man, he enter. The production is good, really good, trust me. Ughelli, Dr.Flezzy, aka Worry Boy exclusive, still in the studio with us for here. And also, I could like ask him one question, although he will still freestyle for us shortly. But you get any artist when you go like, you know, collab with? Because most times we always, aside this also, you already do it with now. So is there any, moving forward, is there any artist that you actually look up to in the Nigerian music industry that you're like, okay, soon, that's my target?
It's funny if I say it, but people will just look like, man, maybe I'm not trendy or I don't want to follow the trend. But the person I really like to work with, if I'm not getting a me,
okay,
I'm getting Two-Face.
Baba.
So I'm like, it's weird, but I'm getting a me first as first choice.
Okay.
If I'm not getting the me, then I'll go for my boss, Two-Face.
Baba. Well, that's a vibe anyways. Yeah, those ones enter. Those two names, they're big.
I swear, man.
Alright, for the album itself, for your fans when they corner now, they go down the losing and say, what the stock they are big. How will it download them? Sharp. How far?
It's very easy to get it. Like if you want to get his album, just go on Google. Just Google Dr.Flezzy 24 Kingdoms album. Like Dr.Flezzy, like DRFLEZZY, then 24 Kingdoms album. It's online. Like
is it for free there?
There's some for the Urhobo nation. I've not really clinged to the internet world to subscribe to streamings. So I made it available on Apple, Spotify, Amazon, iTunes, YouTube.
Wow.
But still, I still think about my people and I make it free for all those that cannot come in for the payments platform. It's still available for free downloads. It's in UGHELLIvibes.com.
Wow.
It's legitniger.com. So you can get it there like for free too. You know?
It's amazing. Just for free for the Urhobo nation. And I feel this jam like say tomorrow or the Ughelli, he actually titles this one. If you are just joining us, do not forget the station remains Quest931FM. FM. My name is Trent, and of course we've got Dr.Flezzy, aka Worry Boy exclusive in Konya just unveiling special new album when entitled 24 Kingdoms. Hey, it's not 24 Kingdoms, the Urhobo nation, happy.
Yeah.
Alright, now you go do small freestyle for us before you tell us how fans will be able to reach you aside how to download the songs.
Okay, I'll go like
which of them you do for your first tell us the title of it? I mean, you want just freestyle.
No, like not going to freestyle. I just want to do something in context of the album we're promoting right now.
All right.
The song Kukbe is really personal to me.
No wonder I did number one on the album. Alright, let's hear
so I would just go like it's a sunny day, so I feel play. Ederago evoke big bay. Odimona eje pino kufe. Emoroto aware jife you. Ero wose wena bote wobo. Akoko amlewe kakaka. Iyope wakasakwe kakaka. Miriakpo me ubo. Onyo fomi ni kupe. Soma bruche.
All the way from Ojagugbe, no be everything nice. See, Mat Fise, what that you but mini Zekishe you, mini Aje Kanwe, mini Anokanye, only me vevetane, o shade da shekovre, Epa Upe Juve, o yek Marawesiye, Unwe Ogbarube, o yo Jumiana Wabanye, o ya de Temete, o yo Kijagbaraye, Wogbe Fian no it, you walk one or ye, Kupe, Udie dato de, Obuwa wo bosso, Yero no nego de, Kero, Mini Okemute, Wo Makmoto, I walk by wo fe, O do me tete because of my bruche yo. So, never mini coupe, so my bruche you. Let's keep each other way for the fans.
All right, of course, you've heard it all from the special one himself, Dr.Flezzy, aka Worry Boy exclusive, man. This guy's here to stay. You can easily just see the vibe in him already. And he seems to be doing this with lots of passion. That one thing will definitely take every musician upward. Okay, now with time really not on my side, this is when you get to drop your contact, whatever way your fans can actually relate and get to reach you, keep up with you up and personal, and just as they go.
Yeah, right now we're promoting more, getting small, like get money on YouTube. You know, so I'm verified already on YouTube.
Wow.
So it's going to be like www.youtube.com/Dr.Flezzy Emise, like Dr. DRFLEZZYEMEXE, Dr.Flezzy Emise on YouTube. And the same thing goes for Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. It's Dr.Flezzy, DRFLEZZY. And on Twitter is Dr.Flezzy1, just one to it.
On Twitter, one.
Yeah.
All right, great one. This is of course Kupe. We'll play this song finally before we jump out. But then again, you will just give us a small word. Any next project for you aside this album? Now, is there anything we're looking aside wanting to feature Two-Face and of course Naomi? Anything going forward?
Yeah, actually, I came close because I wanted to work with two trending brother of mine.
Okay.
Well, their names are Otacha is a trending Urhobo rapper on the block, coming up with hard, and I was still trying to get a recording with Kingo Nakbodia. So I'm trying to put Otacha and Nakbodia on the same song. Already got the beats already, with plenty of percussion on it that is not featured on this album. I keep that beat specially for me, Otacha, and Kingo Nakbodia, so that we can wow the Urhobo nation more, you know.
Wow, these guys are here to wow us. Well, and for every upcoming act over there, out there right now, just hearing your voice and they're like, wow, will I be like that guy? Have you got any message for them?
Yeah, my message for them is consistency is a secret. You know, it's not a key anymore.
It's secret.
Yeah, consistency is the secret. So if you're not consistent, that means if you're not consistent, that means you're just exposing your secret.
Wow.
So consistency is the secret you have to keep.
Okay, being consistent, definitely the secret in whatever you do if you want to excel in life. All right, and of course, I don't know if you've got one final word, maybe a thank you, special message to all your fans out there.
Yeah, I want to say thank you to my mom. And this album is especially dedicated to my late father, Chief Ojoweji Ogenakbobo. And there's a lot of emotional song on the album for my father too. And I want to say to everybody out there, man, last word, grind, don't stop.
Just grind and don't stop.
Yeah.
All right, of course, you heard it all. Dr.Flezzy, aka Worry Boy exclusive. When it comes to for here today, can tell us about a new album when you don't drop 24 Kingdoms. Anyways, before you go, I will let you once more drop all those your contacts and just maybe in a minute sharply so that fans will get them.
Okay, for YouTube is Dr.Flezzy Emise, DRFLEZZYEMESE, and on Snapchat, Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook is Dr.Flezzy, like DRFLEZZY, and on Twitter is Dr.Flezzy1. just add one to it.
Dr.Flezzy one.
Yeah.
Okay, and I don't hear him already, and of course it's still blazing hot. He wants you, and of course, how to download the song. You tell us to get the free one. You know.
Yes. It's on Ughelli.com and legitnigeria.com on free download.
Or what do we need to type?
Just Dr.Flezzy 24 Kingdoms album.
24 Kingdoms.
Yes.
24 na
like
number.
Your number like
number 24 Kingdoms album.
Yeah.
And of course, 8-track album.
Yeah, 8-track album. Yeah.
Okay, beautiful song. We've got to let this young man go now. We'll keep on for we'll guys stay here. But I believe say he get other projects when he would need to work on. So you guys go cook special songs again. Of course, can't drop more. And I'm sure even as you drop this album, as more songs come through, you will come here once more to come share them with us.
Definitely.
All right, too. Of course, Dr.Flezzy has to go, but then do not forget you go on a line and get those special songs. The album don't drop already. Coupe, the song when you say okay, it sounded like it's more like his favorite. So we'll get to drop this one for now to feel for house. Whatever you do, I beg year to year, make sure
take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself.
And take care of your community
and everyone.
We are our own security right now.
Amen. All right, my name remains Trey. This remains Quest931FM. I will leave you to the capable hands of a DJ Spicer to do the rest. Have a beautiful evening and bye for now.
Thank you.
Wow. Hey, the vibe, I like the vibe. Looking at
so I feel play, and then I go if you big bay, and then when I age me no coffee, imoloto I age you. Tell us when I bought a coffee, I'm a kaka, you go outside with kaka, maybe I come home, but I'm for me, coupe, so my bullshit. All the way from Urhobo, not be everything I see, man, can say. What I do, but they really need is a kishi. May you put out on that, may that carry me. They shall never look now, yeah, may shot me. Or to tower on that, you won't believe me. I do it, because I wanna tell you one up, but do it. Oh, I wanna know you wake up, yeah, well. Oh, we are better. All the way from Urhobo, not be everything I see, must be say. What I don't want to really is a kishi. Me a shake away, me a no kanye. Only my favorite time, or shot it, I shake away. And my way to bear, oh yeah, man, I was saying, you know, I'm bear, oh yeah, buy, oh, them planets, oh, you can't buy, yeah, what with you, no, it tells you what all one year. Because of my bullshit.